Hello everyone. I am back with another 30 days of sketches, or best sketches, with Christy's Beautiful Life, and we are on day 8. See, I made a note since I kept forgetting. Okay, and this is, oh no, now I forgot my sheet of who made it, but I'll get that here in a second. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 photos on this one, and 2 places for an embellishments, and then they have an embellishment down here around the picture, and then they have the title here. So they have an embellishment, title, embellishment, and maybe an embellishment or journaling there. So mine's going to be similar, but not exactly the same. But let me get the name of who made that. I'll be right back. Okay, it's by Scrapbooks Ect. And I am going to use one of the Jen Hadfield collections that I kitted up, or kits that I made from the collections. And it's one that had Simply in it, and it had this floral. It had this in it. It also had a wood paper that I actually ended up using for something else. Once I figured out I was doing this, I just went ahead and used it, and it will come up in this series too. And so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to line these up, and I'm going to just kind of show you how I'm going to line them up, and then I will pause it while I do that because it'll probably take me a little bit just to line them up. But so it's going to be like this, and so it'll be similar to theirs, except for I only have how many photos? 9 photos. And so I'll have embellishments here, here, and here. So I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. Okay, and first of all, I'm gonna build like a little embellishment cluster here. And I'm gonna put, don't let the cute fool you. Don't let the cute fool you. I never claimed to be able to talk. Okay, I better make sure I can line this up. And this is my second grand, and when she was, well, a couple years before these photos were taken, she said to her bigger sister, who is almost 3 years older than her, she's like, "It's not fair. You got to have Grandma all to yourself, and I never did because you were born first." So I said, well, we can have Grandma, you can have Grandma time too. And so we made this plan for her to come and stay, and you know, have her little time all to herself with me. It was awesome. Except for I had to shop all the time. And you know, if I'm not shopping for scrapbook paper, I don't really enjoy it. Okay, where's my little house? I don't know how I managed to lose a piece every single time. Oh, here it is. Okay. Okay, so since she was at Grandma's house, I've got this little house I'm going to put right here. And I've got this little group of flowers I'm going to put by the house. And I've got another little flower I'm going to kind of put up here at this corner. And oh, and when she was here, I said, well, we'll do whatever you want to do. And I said, so what kind of things do you want to do? And she's like, well, I would like to make earrings. So I taught her how to make earrings. Whoops. was supposed to tuck this in first. So I taught her how to make earrings. She loved that. And then, so here she is making earrings. Okay, and see, here she is wearing a pair of little bicycles, and then she made these other ones. She designed them herself, and she's got them hanging on. It's actually like a little toothpick holder, just so that she could show them. Okay, and I've got a little, let's see, I've got a little bird bread I'm going to put up here on top of this little tab I put here. And I've got to have my little thing that I poke in, and my scissors, and it's a, you know, one of those big ones, so I'm going to make a big slit there. Okay. And do I see my needle nose? Okay. Oh, I see my needle nose. It's in her hands. It's not helping me. Oops, I'm gonna move this up. I forgot to do that test where I check to make sure it's actually gonna fit there. Okay, and so I'm just embellishing all these little empty spaces. And so I've got these little hearts, and these were all things that were in the kit. The little bird bread, and then this little chipboard heart. Do I want to put it kind of to the, put it towards the other photo. And I accidentally dropped this on this picture and tore a piece of it. It's like, you know, you can't get them to stick when you want them to stick, and then they stick onto a picture. It's like, okay, so there we go. Maybe I need to pull this up a little further since so now I don't want this to stick. I think it won't. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna pull it up. That's what's nice about the little puffy stickers. They're kind of easy to move. I don't know how long, if we're gonna have to start gluing them, you know, after they've been sitting in the book for a while or not. Okay, and then my title is going to be Simply Teaghan, and I'm taking this little wood piece that is from one of the cut aparts, and I had actually cut them apart before, well, some of them I did before I did the kits. So I am going to put this label in the center. Well, maybe, I guess I got it crooked. I'm going to slide it over a little bit. Okay, I think that looks about straight there. Yep, and then I'm going to put Teaghan on there. Oh, I think I need to do the stacking method, okay, to make it straight. As long as my first one is straight. I think this is so cute, and I wanted to do a page with, you know, all the pictures from that few days that she spent here. So we made jewelry. I left her play on my Instagram and load some photos and have my phone for a while and stuff like that. She was loving that. I think we went shopping every single day. She needed a swimming suit and some other things, so we went and got her that. And we went to the outlet mall, and I had a picture of that, but this is just her standing underneath the arch of the Edinburgh Outlet Mall. and with a bunch of bags in her hand. And I'll tell you, she was Little Miss Frugal Shopper. I would say she takes after her grandma there. Okay, so I'm going to, I think that's on there good. I'm going to stick this down. And it's almost down to the photo because I'm going to, I'm not going to push it down real hard. I've got a brad I'm going to stick up here. Oh, it's not this one, it's the butterfly that goes there. Okay, so I need my little padded thing again. Oh, I guess I better push it down a little better. Okay. And I think I'm gonna put it right next to the wood, or next to the wood paper. So maybe right there, I think that'll be good. Okay. I think I can get it there without stabbing anything off the edge here. Okay. And it's a cute little butterfly. And these are all from that place, or from Amazon, and you got 100 for $10. So I'd say that's a good deal. And I think they might be $1 more now. And then it's going to be called Simply Teaghan. So this was in the kit, and I'm just going to put it right in here. And it's kind of, I think it was a Heidi swap. And it's kind of painted this black matte. I feel like I'm trying to write, but don't know what I'm spelling. I think this is a cute title. It's really cute. Okay. So right about there, it's just gonna overlap the two pictures to the sides of it. Okay. And then down in this corner, I am going to put another brad, and I think I need to put that there first because I'm gonna put some flags here, and I think I'm gonna have to have that there so I don't overlap it where it needs to be. Okay, right there. Okay, that's there. And once you put down the pictures, it's like the rest of the job is so easy. Okay, I took a circle punch. It was, I'm not sure, it was like smaller than a 2-inch, right? Or a little bigger than a 2-inch. I don't know, but this was this little piece that came in the kit, or one of the chipboards that came with that matched this. It's like it fits right over it and kind of shows a decorative edge around the little doily piece in there. And I think I'm gonna have to put a little sticky on this too. I think it actually goes like this. So, sorry about my head. Okay, that looks good. And then I'm gonna put these little flags here. I'm just gonna kind of glue here and here. Oops. I made dinner and we had hamburgers, and when I went to put ketchup on my hamburger, it squirted out the side and got all over my shirt. It's like weird. It's like, can this really be happening? I told my daughter who makes t-shirts, I said, you need to make me a shirt that says, it's okay, it's my smoothie shirt. Because that's usually what I end up with on my shirt. Somehow during the making of the smoothie, I end up wearing part of it. Okay. But today it was ketchup. I couldn't believe it. It squirted totally out the side. Okay, and I am going to take this and put it over the flags, and I'm going to put a dimensional on each side. I think I can use these big ones. Yep. And go like this. I'm going to bring it down almost to the little brad. And there it is. It's, oh no, I'm not done yet. I have little photo corners. So I've got a photo corner I'm going to stick on each photo that's in a corner. So not the, so there'll be one here. Here. Oops. Almost stuck it right to the photo. Okay. And these are those Heidi Swap photo corners that it's like, you know, I had them and just was never using them. I love it that I'm using these kits and getting to use some of these things that it's like we're just sitting in my art room and not even getting used. So that is it. And I will have close-ups at the end. We have Simply Teaghan. Oh, here's her shopping at the mall. She was pretty thrilled. So that's number 8. Here's our little sketch. And we're pretty close. And that was by Scrapbook Ect. So I will have close-ups at the end. And remember, if you liked it, give it a like. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.